Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Y. If you don't know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you. We have lots of balloon video tutorial for you to choose from. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And to all our subscribers out there, thank you so much for coming back. For today's video, I'll be making rainbow balloon using all these colors. And for the clouds, we're using 5 inches balloons and it's white. So with that said, let's start. Let's start off with our balloon 260. You stretch this and then we'll inflate. We'll be using this inflator. If you want to know where to get this, please check our Amazon storefront. We'll put the link in the description down below. Before you inflate your balloon, 260 balloon, make sure you stretch and then inflate this. Okay, I'll be using 250-pound fishing line. I'll tie this on the nozzle. Then I'll tie this as well. There you go, we have a nice arch. So I choose the fishing line because it's nice and clear. You won't be able to see if you put it like that. Okay, so this is the bottom part. You can use any other color. So I'll pick this. First stretch. Squeeze this. And then I'll tie it to our balloon right here. Like that, and then pinch here, and I'd like to tie this as well. And just follow your arch and tie this end on your other nozzle. Just like that. So what I do to keep them in place, I will use our balloon glue dots. So just put some balloon glue dots on your silver. So it'll stay in place, and I'll support some glue dots here as well. There, looking good so far, and then you do the next one. Put it there, support on each side. There. Then I'll put white. Alright, so now the white is already attached. It's the same thing. I attach each nozzle on each end, and then using our balloon glue dots, I put some balloon glue dots here to secure it in place. So now I already inflated the lavender. Go, looking good. Alright, so just like that, guys. Ain't that pretty? So we'll put it there for now. So this time we need our 5 inches balloon. We'll make some clouds. So you inflate this in different size. Alright, we have a total of 24 balloons here. So different sizes. Put this together. Twist, it turns into a quad. So once it turns into quad, you have to attach this just like that. Attach another one. Arrange them in place like that. That looks like a cloud. Do the same thing on this side. And then just arrange them in place and attach this on each side. So using the tip, you can just like attach to here. And use the other one as well. And then to keep this in place, you can always use balloon glue dots to secure them in place. And there you go, it's finally done. I added some balloon glue dots so it stays in place and the shape is nice. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please let us know and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, thank you so much for watching. This is FemBamNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.